Dom. Dom. Dom, you awake? I brought you breakfast. The kids are at my mother's, so we got the whole day to ourselves. Dom! Are you awake? Dom! Dom!
Dom! Dom, wake up!
Huh?
Dom, you okay?
Tell me we aren't where I think we are.
Hate to tell you, Dom, we are. Oh, this is just perfect. We're inside a giant worm. Now what in the God's name are we supposed to do?
Come on, man, let's just cut our way out this bitch.
No. First we kill it. Then we cut our way out.
What?
This is what's sinking the cities. This is our chance to stop it.
And how the hell are we supposed to do that?
Rip its goddamn heart out. Come on, let's move.
Oh, man, look at this shit. It's straight nasty down here. The fuck we at?
It just keeps getting better.
All right, keep in step with me. Don't fall behind.
We know this thing's heart's like a mile away from here. And how are we supposed to find it anyway?
Baird, shut up. Keep watch for Carmine. If we made it, he might have too.
Think this might be the heart?
There's no arteries or veins. No, this is something else.
Yeah, but what?
There's something up ahead. Carmine.
I hurt, Sarge. I tell my brothers and my mom. Tell them I love them, and
Huh? What the hell is it doing?
Oh, come on, stop pissing it off!
How the hell you gonna tell me when not to shoot in here? Look at this shit! Oh, that's why.
Run! God damn this thing can eat! Concentrate your fire on the opening!
Got it. It's opening.
Keep moving! Watch your step!
Damn it!
Don't think about it! Saw that shit open, baby!
What kind of meat you want? Center cut, ribeye, T-bone? I'm what mine's red.
About time.
Let's keep moving. If this is the stomach, the heart, the lungs have got to be somewhere on the other side.
Yeah, as long as its physiology plays by the rules.
I don't get nightmares, but I know I'm gonna be seeing this shit in my sleep.
This place stinks like ass, man.
Ass, more like cheesy writing. Told you him ass.
Forget the smell, this place is toxic.
Well, we're on a one-way trip, so keep moving.
We gotta get the hell out of here!
All right, Delta, we gotta be getting close.
So where the hell are we now?
Looks like the sternum. Or at least the giant worm equivalent of a sternum. Yeah.
And the heart's gotta be close, right?
One can hope.
Hold up, listen. That a heartbeat?
Yeah, and the end of this crazy ride.
Welcome to the heart.
Ugh, glad that's over.
Now we can cut our way out this bitch.
Good job, Delta. One dead worm.
Wait, I still hear a heartbeat.
God damn it.
Looks like we still got our work cut out for us. You know, like cut with the Lancer. Never mind.
Yeah, clever, Bear. We got it. Doesn't matter. We'll cut them all. It's getting faster. We can put this thing down.
All right, let's hope this is the last heart.
Well, no chainsaw bypass.
No, this is just wrong. I'm coughing up blood that ain't mine.
Control! Delta here. We just, I don't know where to even begin, but... just get us the hell out of here.
Look out below, Delta. Incoming Centaur.
Control, I requested a pickup, not a drop-off.
Delta, this is Command. You've got new orders, Phoenix. Operation Hollow Storm continues. But we had insufficient intel on the Locust stronghold. We need to accurately pinpoint the heart of the Hollow and take out their leader. Chairman Prescott just declassified an intel file that reveals a decommissioned COG outpost near your location. Well, I've been told it'll give us a lead on the location of the Locust stronghold. And possibly some more intel on the Locust Queen as well. You and Delta are to check it out ASAP. And report any findings to command.
Excuse me, sir, but what the hell? Just declassified? And what do you mean, a Locust Queen?
Everything is on a need-to-know basis, Sergeant. On direct orders from the chairman. You have your mission, now get to it. Command out.
Anybody else's bullshit detector just go off?
Marcus, man, this shit sounds sketch.
If Hoffman didn't even know about this place...
It's not like we have a choice. This operation's our last shot. Move out.
Shotgun!